Okay, this problem is coming from page 162, number 41, and I just kind of wanted to go over this because I know a lot of you, or all of you, pretty much know how to solve equations, but I just want to give you an example of what happens when you have a fraction. And the way that I'm going to actually do this is I'm going to eliminate the fraction just because I prefer to work without it. So instead of going straight to distributing, I'm going to eliminate the fraction, multiply this equation by the common denominator between, well, in this case 5 and 5, which is going to be 5. So I'm going to multiply this entire equation by 5, or 5 over 1. And when I do that, what happens is this becomes 5 over 5a. This becomes 40. This now becomes, so I'm going to go 5 times the 3, negative 3. I get negative 15 over 5. But now notice what's in the parentheses remains the same. Okay. So now let's simplify this down to fraction. 5 divided by 5 is 1, so I can just write a plus 40. 5 goes into 15 negative 3 times. Go ahead and distribute. Now let's bring this over. Cancel out. Get a equal negative 3a plus 5. And then let's bring the negative 3 over. So plus 3a plus 3a. This becomes 4a equals 5. And now just divide by 4, cancel. A is equal to 5/4. So this is just one way of doing it. And if you know, like I said, you multiply by the common denominator. So if the denominators have been 3 and 5, I would have used 15 and just done the same thing. Or 4 and 5, the common denominator is 20. So 20 over 1. And that way this will eliminate having a fraction to work with. And then maybe your final answer will be a fraction, but I think it goes a lot smoother.